In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to disconnect PlayStation 4 controller from Bluetooth Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to successfully disconnect a DualShock 4 controller from any Android device. This will work for your phone, tablets, and so on. All that you have to do is access the settings. So assuming that you previously paired up the DualShock 4 controller to your Android device, you simply have to access the settings and go over to the Bluetooth category. Now, if Bluetooth is turned off, then you will have to enable it to properly unpair the controller. Once you enable Bluetooth, you will be able to browse through a list of devices that have been previously connected. So, as you can see in this example, I have this computer, my Redmi AirDots, and finally, wireless controller. Usually, the DualShock 4 will display the name wireless controller, but on your specific case, it might say DualShock 4. So all that you have to do now is tap on the settings about this controller. So on my phone, I simply have to tap on this setting here. But you might be able to tap on three dots or something similar. Just access the settings about this wireless controller. Now, you will be able to find the option to unpair it. So all that you have to do here is tap on unpair. This will successfully unpair the controller from your mobile device. Now, whenever you power it on in the future, it won't automatically connect itself to your Android device. If you want to pair it up again, then you just have to enable Bluetooth and put the DualShock 4 in pairing mode by pressing and holding the PlayStation button and the share button. Alternatively, you can simply turn off Bluetooth altogether. By doing this, like I mentioned, when you power on the DualShock 4, it will not automatically pair itself up with your phone, so you can use it on a console, and then after you are done, just enable Bluetooth again when you aren't using the controller anymore. Whatever option you choose will work to disconnect the controller successfully. I hope I was able to help you on how to disconnect PlayStation 4 controller from Bluetooth. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.